If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, and do more, you're a leader.
They say the fastest way to change society is to mobilize the women of the world.
Before you scratch your head and check your wallets, pause for a moment.
Keep the child inside you, always alive, always curious, unafraid, unrestricted, always ready to have fun.
A well-educated mind will always have more questions than answers.
It's absolutely my honor, my privilege to be here.
It may be the scriptures, it may be the sculptures, it may be its culture. What if life had a rewind button?
Some people wish it would happen, some make it happen. So let's make it happen.
Remember, a strong woman stands up for herself, and a stronger woman stands up for everyone else.
Reading minds would probably be like being caught in the most horrible maze game.
What if you wake up tomorrow morning and discover that you can't speak?
Power is of two kinds. One, derived by the act of punishment, while the other by the act of love.
So friends, keep reading. It's the most marvelous adventure anyone can have.
About 150 to 200 species of birds, plants, animals, reptiles and insects go extinct every 24 hours.
I am not ready to live into 2050 by making the younger generation so vulnerable to a damaged environment, to a diminished wildlife, to a concrete jungle.
Today is not the change we seek. It's just the beginning of change. Let's all be the change. Thank you.